Hey guys, it's Taylor. I just want to show you a quick way to make some cheap fire starters for camping and like other survival needs. This whole setup here just takes some tin foil and a pan, some candles that I just broke apart. I got like, I think 100 candles for $1 at a Goodwill, but you can use golf wax, but you just want to put a couple in a little crappy tin pot that you don't care about or any kind of cup. Don't ruin any of your good stuff here because we're going to melt that down. Some lighter fluid here, some cotton rounds. These are totally cheap. You can get these at the Dollar Tree or like other places. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in, or on, I just throw it on a different pan here. I don't want to put it directly on the burner. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on, just a little bit above medium. The whole point is to not cook this too hot. You just want to warm this up to melt this wax down until it comes in its liquid state. And then what we're going to do is put equal amount of lighter fluid in there. Don't put too much in. Of course, use safety precautions, just common sense. Don't be squirting the fluid all over your oven. Be very, very, very careful. But yeah, you just want to get this to a point here where this melts down, and then I will show you what it looks like after. All right, let's take a look now. Good, it is melted down. And what you want to do now is take your lighter fluid carefully. You want to match what's in there. So half wax, half fluid. And here's what I'll do here. Just start pouring it in here. That should do it there. All right, put this aside. And now you just want to take your cotton round, toss it in there, let it soak for a sec, let it drip back in the pan a tiny bit here, and then you want to lay them flat like that. All right, so this is what it should look like when you're done. You want them spread out here on a pan. The tin foil will make it so it won't stick as bad. And you just want to wait for these to cool down. I just toss these on the back deck because it's kind of a cold day outside, and they will harden. And let me show you. I already have a batch out here. Yep, these have hardened. And what you want to do is just break these open. I'll use this one as an example here. You tear them open here and expose these fibers. And then you can strike it with a ferro rod, or you can just light it with a Bic or any kind of flame, and it will burn. You're not going to cook a steak dinner with these, but if you want to cook some coffee or get a small fire going, that is, I think, the best way. You can put them in a Tupperware and store them. But yeah, and they're also waterproof because you got that wax around them. But yeah, guys, I just want to share this with you today. It's totally simple, and I hope you guys have a great day.